We spend so much time with our electronic devices and it's the most overlooked in the cleaning process. So today I'm going to show you how to clean and disinfect some of the electronic devices. So keep on watching. Here are some basic tools that you will need for this project. A microfiber cloth. It's the finest of all fibers, making cleaning small areas, even areas invisible to the human eye possible. Rubbing alcohol, also known as surgical spirit, some cotton pads, a cleaning brush, some Q-tips and some toothpicks. How often do we clean our cell phones? Let's face it, it's literally covered with bacteria from fingerprints, sweat and even makeup residue which is hard to see. Although wiping down a device with the edge of your shirt or smudging the screen with your fingers may certainly seem to tidy up your display, but there are far better methods to thoroughly clean a device. So here's how to clean your cell phone. To clean your display, turn off your screen as this allows you to see the dirt better. Using a toothpick, lightly clean around the edges of the phone. That's where most of the dirt is filled. Then just go ahead and wipe out the dirt with the cloth. Fill a spray bottle with water and just add about 2 to 3 drops of rubbing alcohol. Shake it well once you are done. So just lightly spray the solution on a microfiber cloth and gently wipe all over your entire phone. Germs don't just breed on phone but also on the phone cover. So make sure to clean that as well. Do this once a week. But for daily cleaning, you can just use a dry microfiber cloth. The same method applies for laptop and computer screens as well. Next up is the keyboard, the most neglected electronic device. Dust, dirt, fingerprints and even spilled food particles provide a home for bacteria to thrive on your keyboard. I'm going to show you 3 ways to get rid of tiny crumbs and dirt out of the keyboard. The first one is using a cleaning slime. I got this one from Amazon. You need to press the globe of slime against the keyboard and dab wherever you are trying to clean. Because of its sticky properties, it will easily pick up dust, lint or any tiny crumbs. The other way is using a mini vacuum which I also got from Amazon. Just plug it straight into the USB port without requiring any external power source. Press the power button to increase the suction power for vacuuming heavier dust and dirt. If you don't wish to invest in any of the above, then just turn the keyboard upside down and gently tap on the back side to remove the dust. Next, use a soft brush for gently getting into tiny crevices. Use a cotton pad dipped in rubbing alcohol to go over the surface of the keys to remove the dirt over it. Give it a good wipe and you will see that the keys look clean and shiny. Then use a Q-tip dipped in rubbing alcohol and clean in between and around the keys. You will instantly see the difference. You probably use your earphones all day listening to your favorite tunes. But did you know how gross they can get after they've been in and out of your ears and in and out of your bag, picking up dirt, bacteria and earwax along the way? So here's a quick way to clean them up. Take a toothpick and start by cleaning the wax out of the earbud. Once that's done, if you still see a waxy buildup, dip a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol, tap it off and then wipe the bud to remove anything remaining. Go ahead and wipe the outer area of the earbuds with the alcohol dipped cotton pad. Also, don't forget to clean the wire of the earphone as well. Be sure to clean your earphones at least once in 2 weeks. Keeping your electronics clean will not only extend the life of your devices but will also improve their overall performance. So do keep these tips in mind. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.